So this is Chippy at carrypad.com at the Viewsonic stand IFA Berlin 2010. This is the Viewsonic Viewpad, and it's a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen device running on Snapdragon 600 MHz. It's a 1:4x600 screen, capacitive, multi-touch. You can quickly take around the device. It's actually a nice finish. This is plastic, but it actually feels like brushed aluminium. So we've got, I think there's a reset button, there's a mic, there's a headphone, and there's the USB slave port on the right hand side, speaker. Not sure what that is up the top there. Then we've got buttons for, I guess, volume up, volume down, and then a little flap here for your SIM card and your micro SD card. On top left there's the second of the speakers. I think that's a power button there. So on the back, nice and clean, but look, right in the middle you can see the webcam there, and I believe that's 3 megapixels, that webcam. So nice bright screen, and of course nice hand-holdable size. You can easily think about using this as an ebook. That's no problem at all. Capacitive buttons on the right hand side, which is nice, and let's see if we can get that Aldico reader up just to show you how it looks on the Aldico reader. And as I said, the actual form factor is really nice for ebook reading. And of course Aldico, you have the brightness setting on the right hand side, and yeah, that works really nice. I don't know what the weight is, but that's very, very similar to the Galaxy Tab. And actually, in terms of Galaxy Tab competitors, this is probably, well, this is the one I'm thinking is probably up there with the best of them at the moment. Not sure on the pricing, not sure on the availability. We're going to speak to the product manager in a minute and find out. One other thing you need to know about this, it does have all the Google apps on it, so Marketplace is on here, Maps is on here. Let's quickly show you the maps. We're connected to Wi-Fi here. So actually we're connected to 3G HSDPA here. So and that's working really nicely, especially as that's satellite views, a fair bit of data coming down there. So of course having all the Google apps makes a big difference. Let's have a look at one benchmark I did on this. It's the Linpack benchmark, because this is 600 MHz Snapdragon. I don't think it's going to be the fastest out of all. Certainly the Tegra 2 platform turns in some impressive results, but the benchmark here was 6.841, which is, you know, it's fairly average actually on the platforms. But in terms of browsing, let's see if we can check out some browsing. So we'll go to the browser here. I'm going to go to carrypad.com again. We're over 3G in IFA. That's not going to be the best place to test throughput, but let's get the on-screen keyboard up now. And in fact, it might be easier to do it this way. Is that going to change for me? Yeah. Let's go for carrypad.com. Let's see how long that takes. A time of 10 to 15 seconds would be reasonable, but as I say, 3G here at IFA is not going to be perfect. There's the mobile website. Let's switch that to regular view. We'll see how it performs with all the images and stuff that I've got on the full website. I'm not sure if this is supporting Flash. We'll certainly see as soon as it loads up. So that's the website loaded. Well, it's still loading. Not the fastest. Certainly not as fast as the Galaxy Tab, I don't think. But I think for the types of places you're going to use this device, 600 MHz, I mean, similar to the Motorola Droid basically, is going to be fast enough. Flash is not installed on here, but that might be an advantage in this case. Let's quickly go to articles to check again. So all this happening over 3G again. And there you go. That's really not too bad. Really nice screen. Of course, Viewsonic are a screen company. They know about screens. The viewing angles on this are reasonable, not 180 by 180, but certainly reasonable enough for you to use it in landscape and portrait mode without any problems at all. So we're going to have a chat with the product manager, see if we can find out a little bit more about availability and pricing on this one. But this is Chippy from carrypad.com at IFA Berlin with the Viewsonic Viewpad. 122. Yeah, that's working. That's a voice call on the Viewsonic Viewpad. And now you all know my number.